Hey everyone, the DOOGEE U11 Pro represents a thoughtful evolution in the brand's U11 tablet lineup, offering a compelling blend of performance, style, and practicality for a wide range of users. From students and professionals to casual gamers and digital creatives, this tablet is engineered to keep up with the demands of everyday life while providing a smooth, capable user experience. One of the standout elements of the U11 Pro is its impressive memory configuration. With 6 GB of physical RAM supplemented by an additional 24 GB of virtual RAM, the total available memory reaches a striking 30 GB. In tandem with this, the tablet features 256 GB of internal storage, twice the amount seen in many competing tablets in this range. Under the hood, the U11 Pro runs on the Unisoc T7200 processor, a reliable chipset that allows the device to handle intensive workloads typically reserved for entry-level laptops. Gaming, streaming, document editing, and even some light creative workflows like digital drawing or media manipulation are all well within its capability. But the U11 Pro isn't just about performance. It also brings a polished aesthetic to the table. With an aluminum unibody construction, it feels both premium and durable in hand. It's lightweight enough for daily portability, yet strong enough to withstand routine use. The 11-inch Full HD Plus display is another highlight. Offering sharp resolution and vibrant color reproduction, it's ideal for media consumption, productivity, and creative tasks. The 90 Hz refresh rate adds a noticeable smoothness to animations and scrolling. Battery life is equally commendable. The 8,580 mAh battery is built for endurance, supporting long hours of usage across various tasks, whether that's back-to-back video calls, lectures, work sessions, or just binge-watching a series late into the night. What sets the U11 Pro apart from many other tablets in its class is the inclusion of value-packed accessories. Right out of the box, users get a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, effectively turning the tablet into a makeshift laptop for productivity tasks. A responsive stylus is also bundled, perfect for digital note-taking, drawing, and signing documents. Additionally, a premium leather case is included to protect the device while complementing its sleek design. The tablet's versatile design makes it suitable for users of all ages. Seniors will appreciate the large icons and intuitive UI, while students can make the most of the generous storage and stylus support for learning. In conclusion, the DOOGEE U11 Pro stands out as a high-value, feature-rich tablet that doesn't cut corners. It offers robust performance, a stylish and durable build, a fantastic display, long battery life, and an inclusive accessory bundle that elevates the overall experience. Whether you're upgrading your tech for school, work, or play, this tablet makes a strong case for itself as one of the most well-rounded and practical Android tablets available today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.